Fraser Coast Lawn Mowing Club. The racing is definitely underway here. And that's what it's all about out here. This is a great day out at the Fraser Coast, on the Fraser Coast, and it's a great chance, it's great for families too to come out here for the day. Don't you just love the throb of the engine? And here comes the rain, guys, so I'm going to stop. But next time you see me advertise an event at the Fraser Coast Lawn Mowing Club, make sure you get down. So keep an eye on their event page for more. So that was a race at the Fraser Coast Lawn Mowing Club here in Tanana. So make sure you keep an eye on their events page to find out when their next event's on. Catch you later, bye.